Have you ever thought about investing in rental properties? Welcome to a world where you can turn brick and mortar into a steady stream of income. Rental property investing is a fantastic method to create passive income, providing you with financial freedom and stability. But it's not as simple as just buying a house and finding tenants. It's a multifaceted process that requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and a keen understanding of the real estate market. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey to explore the steps involved in rental property investing. Now let's delve deeper into the steps involved in investing in rental properties. Scene script. Step 1. Research and education. Embarking on the journey of rental property investing requires a solid foundation of knowledge and understanding. This is why the first step is all about research and education. Diving headfirst into the real estate market without a proper understanding could lead to costly mistakes and missed opportunities. So, where do you start? A good place to begin is understanding the real estate market itself. It's crucial to keep tabs on market trends, housing prices, and economic factors that could influence the value of your investment. This could be anything from a surge in local employment rates to new infrastructure projects in the area. Next, familiarize yourself with the different types of rental properties. Whether it's single-family homes, multifamily homes, or apartment buildings, each type comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. For instance, single-family homes might be easier to manage but offer less income potential compared to multifamily homes or apartment buildings. It's also vital to understand the legal aspects of being a landlord. This includes the laws and regulations around tenant rights, eviction processes, and property maintenance. A good grasp of these legal nuances can save you from future headaches and potential legal disputes. Now you might be wondering, where do I find all this information? Well, there are plenty of resources out there. Books are a great way to start. One highly recommended read is The Book on Rental Property Investing by Brandon Turner. This book provides valuable insights into the world of rental property investing and can be a valuable guide for beginners. Also, don't underestimate the power of networking. Joining local real estate investment groups or online forums can provide you with first-hand knowledge from experienced investors. Their advice and stories could prove invaluable in your own journey. After you have a good understanding of the rental property market, it's time to move to the next step. Step 2. Financing and property selection. The journey to becoming a successful rental property investor begins with a solid financial plan. You need to secure the necessary funding for your property purchase. This might involve saving, acquiring a loan, or leveraging other financial instruments. Remember, the aim is to make a profit, so you need to consider the cost of the property versus the potential rental income. Choosing the right property is equally important. Consider the location. Is it a thriving area with amenities that attract tenants? Or perhaps it's an up-and-coming neighborhood with future potential. The condition of the property is another key factor. Will it require a lot of repairs, or is it move-in ready? And don't forget about the potential rental income. Can the property command a rent that not only covers your expenses, but also provides a reasonable return? Your financial planning and property selection strategy should align with your overall investment goals. Whether you're focusing on cash flow, appreciation, or a combination of both, these decisions will play a major role in your success as a rental property investor. Once you have your finances in order and have selected a property, you are ready for the next step. Step 3. Property management. Once you've secured your property, the next crucial step is managing it. This might seem daunting, but it's a vital part of the process. This includes finding and screening potential tenants to ensure they're reliable. You'll also be setting and collecting rent regularly, which will be your main source of income. Additionally, maintaining the property is essential to keep it in top condition and retain its value. It's not just about repairs and renovations, but also about attending to your tenants' needs and ensuring their satisfaction. And with that, you are on your way to becoming a successful rental property investor.